Hello from the Quail Kingdom. So I have been asked many times how many different colors quails we have, and this is what I would like to show you today. So when you order the eggs from us for breeding next time, you know roughly what to expect. So let's get started. I will try my best and I will see you at the end of the video again. Yeah? You wanna go now? Light color with brownish, creamy and black spots. Dark one, another one. Oh, here the next one. Look at her. Here we have a light colored one with like a sparkles on her back. This loud boy here got also some sparkles and is beautifully colored at the front too. We have two candidates here. The light one and further away the so-called tuxedo one with a beautiful white breast. This one is very pretty too. I wish they would stay. Maybe here. Let's have a look. Look at her. Very pretty. This one is, to be honest, one of my favorite ones. And she's presenting herself beautifully here. Snow White. And here another one. Like a coffee latte. The one at the very back. Oh, here, this one. Let's move to the back. I think we didn't have this one yet. This guy is very pretty and he got this beautiful, come on baby, Togo. They don't like very much to be taken into the hand. They are also not toys, so I understand. I didn't have this one yet. The very active one, also very pretty. The boys are very active today. You can hear them all the time. We have a light colored one here too. And she's got a bit dark feathers at the back. Oh, and you are a boy. Okay. Look at this one over there. She is very pretty too. Making herself comfortable. How about you? Oh, and one egg is waiting for me there. She is very pretty too. Oh, and I've got one here that I have to show you. Hello, baby. Look at her head. Interesting, isn't it? They are all super active and enjoying the weather. It is really warm. Here, a nice light one. Your boy too! Oh, come on! So yeah, that wasn't very easy. They don't really like to be taken. So I have tried my best. I hope I could show you all the colors we've got. Let me know in the comments below what color did you like the most. And I hope you enjoyed the little tour at the Quails Kingdom. I will leave them alone. We'll collect the eggs and I hopefully see you next time. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Nah, you wanna go? Some of them, they are really comfortable, but not many comfortable on the hand. I mean, you wanna go now, huh? Yes?